Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off story view history on Facebook. So first you just need to sign in to your account, and then I just want you to go to these icon, I mean your profile picture of Facebook on the top right side or the top right corner. Tap on it and then go through the settings and privacy below this one. Tap on it and then tap on settings. Once you are in the settings section, just go to the search bar of the search settings and then type story. So here I just want you to scroll down or to look for stories with this icon. Tap on it, and here you can manage your stories with or on different aspects. So here I just want you to go to who can see your stories. Tap on it, and from here you can customize by clicking on custom, and here you can allow or disallow all of the friends you have on Facebook, or to do not allow anybody to see your stories or to view your stories on Facebook. So everyone, that's how to turn off story view history on Facebook. And I guess that the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching.